Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Mochi has to use some form of glutinous rice flour to achieve the sticky consistency. Glutinous rice flour is pretty much the same as the sweet rice flour sold at Japanese places but at a fraction of the price.
Take our lead.
Rice flour is ground from long grain or medium grain white rice. This rice is the type we commonly eat and make in our rice cookers. Glutinous rice flour is ground from long grain or short grain sweet white rice and is also called sweet rice flour. Sweet rice grains are typically solid white.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.